Hello, musicians. Thanks for watching. Today's lesson is about playing scales. A scale consists of 8 keys that go from one pitch to a higher pitch. So how are you going to play 8 keys with only 5 fingers? I am going to show you. In the treble clef, you want to practice the under and over method because the key is to start and end with a flat hand. We're going to start with middle C. So starting with your thumb finger, you're going to start playing the first 3 keys. When you get to the 3rd key, you want to take your thumb and move it under your middle finger. So the thumb will play the next key. Ending with C. When you get to the highest key, you're going to start with your pinky, play all 5 fingers, and then when you get to your thumb, you're going to take your middle finger and cross over your thumb. So again, under and over. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and share this video.